South Korea reported more than 1,700 new coronavirus cases as there were fewer tests over the Chuseok holiday. The daily tally for Friday could exceed 2,000. The authorities will closely monitor the situation until early next week and review changes to distancing measures. Kyung-eun has the latest.
On Thursday, after people returned from the 5-day Chuseok holiday, the country reported 1,716 new infections. That's relatively low for that day of the week, given that the figure topped 2,000 on the two previous Thursdays. Of the new infections, over 76% were in the greater Seoul area. Seoul alone reported 645 cases, after seeing the positive rate reaching over 1.9% at one point during the holiday period, despite a drop in testing. That represents an absolute increase in infections, largely attributed to major cluster infections. One of those broke out at a traditional market in Songpagu, where case numbers total 408 since the holiday began. At another market in the central district of Junggu, there have been 159. The city has set up extra testing sites near those two markets. Authorities are worried that cases will surge in the coming days as testing picks back up, and not just in the hardest-hit capital region, but the whole country. Plus, there is a rising number of breakthrough infections, especially among men in their 30s and 40s who received the one-shot Johnson & Johnson vaccine.
Our current assessment is that they are an age group who spend a lot of time out of the house. They have more chances to be exposed to the virus, which could put them at a higher risk of infection.
They say they will closely monitor the situation until early next week to discuss what to do with the current distancing measures that are set to expire on October 3rd. They also continue to stress the importance of the infection rate. They say it will remain a factor when deciding on a transition to living with the virus, even after Korea has 70% of its population fully vaccinated. As of Thursday, 71% of the population have received at least one dose, and 43% have gotten both. Kyung-eun, Arirang News.